Welcome to my new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the location on YouTube. First, open the YouTube app or website on your phone or computer. If you're using a computer, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Location. You'll see a list of countries. Choose the location you want, and YouTube will adjust the content recommendations and videos based on that region. If you're using the mobile app, tap on your profile icon, go to Settings, then General, and under Location, select the country you prefer. And that's it! Your YouTube location has now been changed.